You asked. Now, months ago, I did an episode on the top 3 peptides for women over 40. And when I mentioned Retatrutide, I said, comment in the comments if you want me to share my personal story. Well, my inbox hasn't been quiet since. So here it is, the full story. What it is, what it did for me, and what it's doing for our clients, and why I feel it's one of the most misunderstood tools out there today for women over 40. Because here's what most people are getting wrong about Retatrutide. They think it's just a weight loss shot, and it's not. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why and why it might be worth exploring it yourself. If you're here on this channel, you probably already know something is feeling off. I mean, you're eating well, you're working out, you're showing up, you're doing the things, but your body still isn't responding the way that it used to. Look, this isn't about discipline. It's not just about hormones alone. And it's not just about getting older. No matter how well you take care of yourself, aging has its own agenda, and it will throw you a curveball right when you least expect it, right when you're in the middle of your stride. I always say, when you're lifing, life happens. And that's exactly where I was. But before I go into my story, let's talk about Retatrutide, what it is and what it does. Because when you understand this part, everything else is going to make a whole lot more sense. So what is Retatrutide? It's a peptide, specifically what they call a triple agonist, meaning that it actually works on 3 hormone receptors all at the same time: GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. You've heard of GLP-1 medications like semaglutide or tirzepatide. Those are the most popular that you see in commercials, and they work on 1 or 2 of the receptors, where Retatrutide hits all 3 at once. So what does that mean to you? Well, 1, it's helping regulate your appetite, quieting that food noise. It's helping your body manage and handle the blood glucose, and also helping your insulin, you become more insulin sensitive. And the third part, it's directly targeting fat, specifically visceral fat and liver fat for breakdown. And that third piece, that glucagon piece, is what makes it different. Because glucagon will signal to your body to actually break down fat as fuel. And that's not just weight loss, that's metabolic repair. Now, as powerful as that sounds, this is not something that you just want to jump into. What matters most when it comes to peptides, not just Retatrutide, is who's guiding you and what protocol is behind it. This is not something that you just want to go and get and try to figure it out on your own. You got dosing, you got titration, and of course the full strategy and protocol behind it. That's everything, because without the right information, the right support, and the right protocol, you could end up doing more harm than good. And that's scary, but then it's also really frustrating. And that's where Ryan comes in, my husband, because he has spent years studying peptides, longevity, and how to use these tools to change your body composition and health outcomes. We've built full protocols together around it, and that's what makes the difference between something that works and then something that doesn't. So when he first brought Retatrutide to my attention, I thought to myself, oh, this is great, not for me, but for all our women over 40. I know it was going to be a huge game changer for them. So let me take you back to 2022. I had to go in and get a surgery done for capsular contraction and reconstruction. What ended up being 1 surgery ended up 2 surgeries in a year and a half. Couldn't work out. It was a long, hard recovery. I couldn't do long walks because I couldn't get my heart rate up. At the same time, I started going through menopause. I was gaining weight. I gained 10 pounds, which I know for some of you, you're like, big whoop-de-doo. But it's not, I didn't feel good about me. And I didn't feel confident, especially with what I do. I help women every day, and I've helped women for 30 years, right? Sculpt their physiques, drop that body fat, balance their hormones, feel good about them from the inside out. I wasn't feeling great. So I started on Retatrutide quietly. Within 8 weeks, I dropped 8 pounds. That's not what is significant. Here's what I noticed. First thing is, I'm a disciplined person, not naturally, but by choice. Sometimes I have to white knuckle things, or that's the way it used to be. With the Retatrutide, what I noticed within a few weeks, it made discipline really easy. See, I said, I'm a disciplined person by choice. You know, like I have to work on my discipline. So when I don't eat sugar, it is work for me. When I don't overeat in carbohydrates, it is work for me. What I noticed, it made that easy for me, to where it's easy to have a bite of cake and not have to eat the whole thing, or even turn down sugar, or not even have the cravings for certain things. That was huge. And then next thing is that I noticed that my body composition started to change, not just dropping the weight, but even though I've been in the industry a long time, I'm just like every other woman. I have frustration spots, and my inner thighs always frustrated me. What I started to see doing my regular workout routines, doing my normal eating, doing my normal walking, is that my composition literally was changing. I was losing those stubborn areas that have always bothered me all my life. That was huge. So not only did I see it, we see it for our women now. So I got really excited. I knew from the studies that it was going to be a great peptide for our women over 40. And so I couldn't wait. Once I got my results, I couldn't wait to start talking about it and sharing it with our women. Perfect example, Becky. She came to us about 16 years ago. She started out as a client, but now she's actually family. But when she first started with us, she dropped 100 pounds. Yeah, huge, right? That's awesome. But just like everyone else, just like every woman, life happens. When you're lifing, life happens. Stress, loss of loved ones, she had inflammation, her hormones were a wreck, and she just couldn't drop. She was like stuck in a plateau for years, but she kept showing up. We kept adjusting things and she would get minimal results. Then we said, okay, let's do your labs. We got her blood work done. We got her on bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. And then we customized some protocols for her and added in Retatrutide. Fast forward, inflammation down. She's dropped 49 pounds. She's broke that plateau. And the biggest thing, we talk about body composition, but for every woman, even myself, I felt like my confidence was coming back. And it wasn't just hormones. It was because everything was working together. And that's what happens when you stop chasing symptoms and start addressing the whole system. Retatrutide wasn't magic. It was one piece of the puzzle, but I'm saying it is a game changer, but you just don't do the one thing. So let's talk about what the research actually shows, because this is what sets it apart. This is what makes it different and why it's really important. So phase 2 trial with the Retatrutide, it was published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2023, and they followed 338 participants over 48 weeks. At the highest dose, participants lost an average of 24.2% of their body weight. Okay, but it's more than the body weight. It's about body composition. Let me break this down for you. Visceral fat dropped by 42%. See, visceral fat is that deep belly fat, and it's linked to inflammation in the body. It's linked to heart disease. It's linked to type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. That kind of fat doesn't respond to activity or cardio. And that's where that glucagon receptor that I talked about targets it directly. Then liver fat dropped. Liver fat dropped by up to 82% at higher doses. This is huge. See, your liver is your filtration station. What does that mean? It means it's going to take metabolized hormones and toxins and flush them out, but it's also your number one fat burning organ. When it is bogged down, when it is gunked up, then fat burning ceases to exist because it doesn't multitask. It can't work effectively. So when you clear your liver out, everything starts moving again. That's metabolic repair. Next, insulin sensitivity improved dramatically. The diabetes trial showed up to 82% of participants reaching healthy blood glucose levels. Okay, so what does that mean? For women over 40 with insulin resistance, and it shows, the stats say right now that 96% of women over 40 are what they call insulin resistant, meaning that you're not processing carbohydrates properly, that your insulin isn't working properly. Well, that means that better insulin sensitivity means better energy, better fat burning, and better body composition. Retatrutide, it's a powerful tool, but it's not the whole plan, which brings me to you. So if you've been watching and you're thinking, where do I even start? That's exactly the right question, because peptides, Retatrutide, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, Macros, fasting, supplements, workouts, they don't work in isolation. And none of it works exactly the same way for every single person. That's why customization is really important. And that's exactly why I built the Hormone Macro Body Type Quiz. It's completely free. It only takes a few minutes, and it will tell you exactly which of the 6 body types is driving what's happening to your body right now. See, knowing that, your results actually give you a starting point. You're not just throwing spaghetti up against the wall and see what sticks. So when you have a clear starting point, then you can take the right clear steps to get the results customized exactly to you and what your body needs. The link is in the description, so go ahead, go take it. And if this sparked more questions about peptides, about Retatrutide, the protocols and how we use it alongside of BHRT and supplements and workouts and macros, comment in the comments because I would love to hear from you. And if you have your own story about Retatrutide, comment in the comments. We read all of them. And whatever questions you ask, help us shape what we're going to do next. So go ahead, let us know. And I'll see you on the next episode.